Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is King Shooter. The first time of joining us, please ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Now, I want to continue the series on the issue of shares. Now, today we want to see the call in arrears. We have seen the shares issued at a discount. We have seen all the different aspects of instrumental payment, the example. Now, I want to see call in arrears. And what do we mean by call in arrears? Now, call in arrears arises when some shareholders fails to pay the amount that is due on final call. Okay, so most time, like we've seen, some payments might be made on instrumental basis, that is on application allotment. Now, most time the shareholders might have paid an application on allotment, but on a certain call, the call has been made for payment. So most time, some shareholders might default in paying. So once a certain shareholder defaults in paying, we'll call that call in arrears. Okay, we'll call that call in arrears. So when such thing happen, we are going to open two accounts. Two accounts is going to be affected. It will be the call in arrears account and the call account. If it is on first call or on second call or on the third call or on final call, depending on the question. Okay, so like we said, the call in arrears arises when a call is due, in the sense that a shareholders fail to pay the amount that is due when the call has been made, okay, for payment. So for instance, the account will be to debit the call in arrears account, and you credit the call account with the amount. Okay, so you debit the call in arrears account and you credit the call account with the amount in question. Okay, so that is the call in arrears. Okay, so now let's see an example on how we can impute this here. So the question said the Kings Limited offered for subscription 20,000 ordinary shares of £1 each at a discount of 5 kobo on allotment. Application received is exactly 20,000. Okay, shares payable as follows: on application 20 kobo, on allotment 20 kobo, where there was a discount, on final call 60 kobo. If the subscriber of 1,000 shares failed to pay his final call, show the ledger entries and how it will appear in the balance sheet. As I'm saying, if the subscriber of 1,000 shares failed to pay his final call, okay, so we should show it in the balance sheet. That's a situation of a call in arrear. Okay, so if we start from application was paid in full 20 kobo, that's 0.20 times 20,000 shares, which is 4,000 naira. The next one is allotment. The allotment will be based on the share discount, which is 5 kobo from the question. That's 0.05 times 20,000, which will give us 1,000 naira. Okay, while the next one is the actual payment. The actual payment, since it's on discount, okay, so it will now be 20 kobo minus 5. That's 0.20 minus 0.05. That's 0.15 times 20,000 shares. Okay, so this will give us 3,000 naira. Okay, so the next one is on final call. On final call, they said on final call it is 60 kobo. Okay, it is 60 kobo, and it is on this final call that 1,000 subscribers fail to pay. That is where there is a call in arrears. So we're going to check the call in arrears. $1,000, because it's 1,000 shares, times the amount 60 kobo. So this will give us 600 naira. Okay, now the final call the amount paid now will not be on 19,000 shares, because they say 1,000 fails to pay. So it will not be 60 kobo, that is 0.60 times 19,000. Okay, so if we do that, this will give us 0.60 times 19,000, that is 11,400. Okay, 11,400. Now let's now prepare the entries. So this would be the bank, this would be application, this would be allotment, this would be share discount, this would be final call, this would be call in arrears, this would be ordinary share, and this would be balance sheet. Okay, now let's prepare this. Now the first one, application. Now application, pay to the bank. So we have the bank, which is 4,000. So it received from application. So application here is 4,000. Okay, so the ordinary share capital, allotted shares. So here now will be application 4,000. So application will receive from ordinary share 4,000. So close it. Okay, so the next one will now be on allotment. Shares, the amount paid is 3,000. So we'll have the bank 3,000 received here on allotment 3,000. Okay, so shares will be allotted. Remember, the shares will be allotted based on the face value, because this is on discount. Okay, and the face value is 20 kobo, which when you multiply it will still give you 4,000. So the allotment will be 4,000. So we'll come here, ordinary share 4,000. So the difference is our discount of 1,000. So that this is now 4,000 and this is now 4,000. Okay, so corresponding entry comes here as allotment 1,000. Okay, so the next one will not be final call. Final call, there was a call in area. This is the amount that was paid, 11,400. So we'll have here bank 11,400. So paid here, our final call 11,400. Okay, 11,400. But the allotment of shares on the final call is 12,000. Okay, so we'll have 12,000. So it will be allotted here. Ordinary share 12,000. So 12,000 minus this, the corresponding entry is the call in arrears, which is 600. So 11,400 plus 600 will give us 12,000. So this is 12,000. Okay, so call in arrears, corresponding entry comes here, which is a debit. So we'll now have here a final call, which is what? 12, which is what? 600. Okay, so from this now, our allotment here, 4 plus 4 plus 12 will give us 20,000. So our balance carried down will be 20,000. Okay, while our bank 4,000 plus 3,000 is 7,000. 7,000 plus 11,4 is 18,4. So our balance carried down here will be 18,4. So this is 18,4. So this is 18,4. Okay, so if we now come to our balance sheet now, the ordinary share 20,000. Okay, so we have our bank. Our bank is 18,400. Now we have the preliminary expenses, which is a discount, as 1,000. Okay, now we'll now say less call in arrears, which is 600. So 20,000 minus 600 will give us 19,400, and 18,4 plus 1,000 will give us 19,400. Okay, so that is how to solve the call in arrears. Okay, so the next one will be our shares forfeiture and reissue. Okay, ensure you like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any question, ensure you drop it in the comment section below. Now I want to recommend this video for you. This video here, watch it. Thank you very much.